So when we think about the art of making money online, sometimes it can feel a little bit complicated and a little bit overwhelming, but really it's quite simple. If you've got traffic, which is number one, going through to an offer that converts, which is number two, that's it. Job done. Doesn't get much easier than that, does it? Now, by traffic, I mean real people who are interested in the thing that they're clicking on. Not traffic as in a traffic jam, where nothing's happening and you're going nowhere and you're getting frustrated, which is what, to be honest, this whole business can feel like a lot of the time. But traffic that is lively and exciting and is clicking through and is buying, that's what we're really looking for here. Now, there are all different ways to get traffic. Obviously, you can pay for traffic using Google search, for example, YouTube ads, for example, solo ads. They're expensive and they're a bit risky because you pay quite a lot of money and it eats up your money very quickly, and quite often you don't actually get results, which is very, very frustrating. Or you could become a product creator and a vendor, just like me, and just like I teach my students, especially in the Vendor Victory Masterclass, by the way. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link below this video. That will show you how to become a product creator and scale your business to well beyond $10,000 per month. Becoming a product creator gives you the buyer's leads, and therefore, because you've got the buyer's leads, you can send traffic to them whenever you want. You can make money, right? You're in control of your traffic. The other way to do it is to use traffic systems where real people are in there and you're able to leverage that and send out broadcasts from within like an ecosystem, so you don't need domains and autoresponders and all of that. And that's what I've got for you here in my new launch, which is Traffic Prodigy. In fact, we've got two different systems. All right, so you've got two systems that you can use, and we give you 3 different offers that convert. So the two pieces of the puzzle are solved immediately when you pick this up. Now, if you've got your own links that you want to send traffic to, that's brilliant. Fine, go ahead. Fill your boots. And if you've got, for example, an opt-in page because you want to build your list, then that's fine. Go for it. The reason that we're including these 3 high converting offers, though, is because a lot of the time, you can get traffic, you don't know where to send it to. It's like, well, what am I going to do with the traffic? So we've got you covered there, all right? And my recommendation would be give it a go. Use the 3 offers that we've got. Give it a go. Use your own offers. Use your squeeze page, build your list, use the traffic however you want, but try it, have a little test. That's what we're doing all the time, is testing different things. So you'll see on the sales page when you go through to it that the headline that I've written is the only traffic system that practically forces 378 plus fresh buyer clicks to our offers every single day, start in the next 20 minutes. So this is exciting, isn't it? To think you could get hundreds of buyer clicks a day coming through to your offers using a very, very simple system. I think that's going to get most people's attention. It certainly got my attention when Fergal started bringing this to us. He's gone through and he's tested it as always. We've put together the training and now we're ready to release it to you. So you're going to get some very simple short training inside the members area. Just a few videos. Some of them are only like 1 or 2 minutes long. There's nothing long-winded in there that you're going to have to think, oh God, I've got to sit through all that. You can be done and dusted and ready to go well within an hour, probably within half an hour if I'm being honest. And you're going to get the 3 offers and the 2 traffic systems all in this package. Now, as always, if you pick this up through me, you're going to get my Spoil You bonus bundle. I've got some fresh bonuses for you on this one. So when you pick up Traffic Prodigy through my link, you will get Traffic Monsoon, Viral Facebook Posts PLR, 1 Prompt Romance Books PLR, Self-Help Courses Victory PLR, 100 AI Side Hustles PLR, Rapid Traffic Flow, The Affiliate Whisperer and Pixel Profits, as well as other bonuses that I'm adding all the time. So for the price of Traffic Prodigy, as you can see, I'm spoiling you rotten with a bonus bundle, and I always do that to make this a no-brainer for you, so that if you've got any doubts, if you're thinking, oh, I'm not sure, Trev, I give you enough bonuses to make this literally 10 times and more the investment that you'd be paying for this product. So that way, you know that you're ahead of the money, you've got nothing to lose, and you've got everything to gain. So go ahead and pick up this system. You can start getting those buyer clicks to your offers. You can start seeing some sales coming in. It's exciting times. It's an exciting system. It's super, super simple. It doesn't take long to set up, and you can be up and running within 30 minutes of leaving me here right now. So go ahead, click on the link below this video. That's going to take you through to the sales page. When you get to the sales page, you might want to check that you're cookied to me by clicking on the buy button, and then down the bottom, you'll see that the vendor says Fergal Max Trev, but you're looking for referred by Trevor Carr. If you see that, you're cookied to me, you're going to get my bonuses. As always, guys, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. Grab this now and let's make some money. I'll speak to you soon.